What's the meaning of calendar? Calendar. Calendar.
Calendar. Calendar. A calendar is a system that is used to organize and divide time. It typically consists of a set of days, weeks, months, and years that are arranged in a specific order. The purpose of a calendar is to provide a means of tracking time and events, such as holidays, birthdays, and appointments. Different cultures and religions have developed their own calendars over time, each with their own unique features and traditions. Some calendars are based on the movements of celestial bodies, such as the moon or the sun, while others are based on historical events or religious observations.